Right now, you're looking at a significant uptick in sentiment, currently at plus 0.28, with momentum soaring to plus 0.58 in the stock market. This isn't just a casual fluctuation, it's a noticeable spike above the historical baseline. The current sentiment and momentum suggest a sudden surge in positive sentiment that could indicate a shift in market dynamics. When you tap into our API, you're getting a comprehensive analysis that returns sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and even detailed semantic clusters, enabling you to see what's driving the numbers. Imagine using this insight to optimize your trading algorithm. Adjusting your strategy in real time based on a sudden market shift can give you a crucial edge. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to build smarter applications.